Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about the character data type in Java. We will understand what a character is, how to declare character variables, and some important rules that we need to follow while working with characters. So let's get started. So what is character data type? The character data type in Java is represented by the keyword char. A char variable is used to store a single character such as a letter, digit or symbol. So it stores a single character represented using the char keyword, and it uses single quotes. For example, char grade equals to single quotes a single quotes. Unlike strings, which can store multiple characters, a char variable can store only one character at a time. So, what is char? Char is a primitive data type which stores a single Unicode character with a size of 2 bytes. So, for example, char letter equal to single quotes B. So, the syntax of declaring a character variable is char variable name equals to value. So char is the data type, variable name is the name of variable, which is letter in this case, and B is the character value assigned to the variable. Notice that character values are enclosed in a single quotes. So the syntax is char variable name equals to value that will be in single quotes. So here are few examples. Char grade equals to A. Char gender equals to M. Char symbol equals to $. So here all values are present within the single quotes. So single quotes are mandatory, and this is important rule that characters must be enclosed in single quotes. So the correct declaration initialization will be char ch equals to single quotes A, and the incorrect will be char ch equals to double quotes A, because if we use double quotes then it will be treated as strings, but here the data type which we are using is char. So double quotes are used for strings and single quotes are used for character, that is char. IntelliJ. So we are looking for character data type. So char grade equals to single quotes A, and we will print this character variable name is grade. So the output should come as capital A. Let's run the application. So here we can see the output is A. So let's see some more examples. Char letter equals to B. Char digit equals to 7. Char symbol equals to @ So all these values are digit and symbol. So all these values are valid because each variable stores only a single character. So here in the output we can see it is printing first value, that is grade A, then letter B, digit 7 and symbol @. So all these values are valid. A common confusion for beginners is the difference between char and string. So character char ch equals to A and string name equals to Java. So important points: character uses single quotes, and for string we use double quotes. Character stores one character and string stores multiple characters. As we can see here, Java, J is a single character, A is a single character, V and A is again a single character. So for string it is storing a multiple characters, whereas in character it will store a single character. Remember this difference because it is very important in Java programming. So let's see some invalid examples. Invalid examples. Char equals to single quotes AB. This is invalid. Why? Because a char variable can store only one character, but we are providing two characters, so it is throwing compilation error. Too many characters in a character literals. So this one is invalid example. Another example is char equals to double quotes A. So this is also invalid because double quotes are used for string, not characters. Always use single quotes with char values. So let's quickly summarize what we learned. Char is used to store a single character. Character values are enclosed in a single quotes. A char variable can store letter, digits, and symbols. Character is different from string. The char data type occupies 2 bytes of memory. Java uses Unicode to represent characters. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand character data type. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.